Ma'am.
Sairam Chitranshi, Palak. Sairam to all of you. I have read all your Sairams. So, welcome back to the school, the first class of your session. I know this is not the actual school we were all waiting for. We all were expecting that at least in the month of April we'll be getting to see all of you, and once again we'll resume the same old school. But things are not what exactly we wanted, and because the situation is getting bad of corona, it is necessary for us to take online classes for the safety of ours and yours both. आपकी सेफ्टी के लिए भी और अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए भी, और जो गवर्नमेंट की गाइडलाइंस है उसको फॉलो करते हुए वी आर हियर बैक ऑन द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. Okay, let's begin this class with the Omkaram. Okay, Ritu, can you start the Omkaram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, oh, oh. Sairam.
Sairam. Okay, how many of you have read this new chapter?
I'm Adib.
Adib, okay, can raise your hand. Yes, Hadaharsh, even you have read the chapter? Usually the first chapter is always the most easiest one of the book. Okay, and what is it about, Harsh? Tell us something about the chapter.
मैम
Harsh?
हनीड्यू का फर्स्ट चैप्टर एक लेटर है.
Honeydew का फर्स्ट चैप्टर एक लेटर है.
मैम उसमें लेटर के बारे में बताया है पूरा.
Okay, like what exactly? Tell us something. Adib, tell us something about this chapter.
यस मैम. मैम एक बार की बात होती है. मैम वहाँ पे एक लड़का किसी जंक शॉप पे जाता है कुछ खरीद. मैम ब्रिड स्पॉट पे कोई सी शॉप होती है. वो वहाँ पे कुछ लेने जाता है. तो वो बहुत सारे सामान देखता है. वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. फिर जब वो दूसरा देखता है वो जला हुआ होता है. थोड़ा उस पर स्क्रैचेस होते हैं. तो वो बहुत लोअर कॉस्ट में जा रहा होता है. तो वो ले लेता है. फिर जब वो अपने वर्क रूम में उसको सुधारता है तो वो ठीक होने के बाद वो उसकी सारी ड्रॉज खोलता है. तो मैम उसकी लास्ट वाली ड्रॉज वो बहुत जब उसने पावर लगाया अपना तब खुला. उसके अंदर एक छोटा सा टिन का बॉक्स होता है प्लास्टिक से कोटेड. तो मैम जब वो उसको खोलता है तो उसको एक लेटर मिलता है उसके अंदर से. वो मिस जिम के लिए होता है जो जिम ने छोड़ा था. तो वो मैम उस पूरे लेटर को पढ़ता है और फिर जब वो लास्ट में उसको वो लेटर देने जाता है. जब वो नहीं रहते हैं मिस्टर जिम. वो उसकी मिस जिम को ये लेटर देने जा रहा होता है.
issue today. Airtel is not working properly over here. Okay, I'm back again. Okay, Adib, yes, you can continue. Adib,
यस मैम, उस टाइम पे क्रिसमस ईव चल रही होती है जब
what
वो
is Christmas Eve? What is Christmas Eve?
मैम क्रिसमस के टाइम पे जो छुट्टियां होती हैं वो
Okay,
मैम
good.
उस टाइम पे क्रिसमस ईव चल रही होती है। जब वो उसका लेटर पढ़ता है तो वो अपने फुल डिटेल में बताता है कि उनने वहां पे उस टाइम पे क्रिसमस ईव में क्या किया, उनसे कौन मिला और उनने किससे दोस्त बनाया। और मैम फिर इसके बाद वो पूरा लेटर पढ़ने के बाद वो वहां पे जाता है ब्रिड स्पॉट में, वो जो जगह होती है वहां, और फिर वो उनको लेटर दे देता है।
Mm-hmm. Good. Then,
मैम अभी इतने ही मैम पढ़ा था।
Sairam, am I audible?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम। यस मैम।
I joined 3 or 4 times, and the previous time I joined, I kept saying Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Then I took 4 or 5 children's names, and again the connectivity wasn't there. Then I left that meeting and again joined it fresh from the mail, from the link again. Okay. Yes, Adeep, sorry to disturb you. Now you may continue.
मैम उस टाइम पे मैंने बस इतना ही पढ़ा था।
Okay, okay. And next time, please talk a little bit in English because you have to
Okay,
speak
ma'am.
simple English. Okay, we are in class 8th now. You're the senior most class of your middle group.
Okay,
Next year, every one of you will be in the senior group. Socho. Okay. Yes. Anyone else who wants to talk about this chapter? Anyone? Shubhra? It's a very nice chapter, actually. The best Christmas gift, isn't it?
The best Christmas present in the world.
Okay. Anything you want to share about this chapter, Shubhra? Anything? Have you read this chapter, Shubhra?
Ma'am, I have read it, but what Adib told is the same what I know.
Okay. I'll just open the door also so that. Mhm. Okay. We'll do the reading of the chapter today because it's the first day. Okay. Just I open this door so that the connectivity is good. One second. Okay, fine. I'll just share the chapter. Yes. And Adib, you can tell me the names of the children who have written in the chat box who want to do the reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's start with the first name.
Ma'am, Akshara.
Akshara. Okay, Akshara, you may start reading. From here, I spotted.
The best Christmas present in the world. There are some dates of or periods of some time in the history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remembers them. The story you will read mentions one such date and event, a war between the British and the Germans in 1914. Can you guess which war it was? I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport, a roll-top desk. The man said it was early 19th century and oak I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. This one was in a bad condition, the roll top in several pieces. One black, consumably mended, starch marks all down one side. It was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. It began work on it on Christmas Eve. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer, ma'am, what is written here?
Veneer.
Veneer
Veneer.
had lifted. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. It looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. I tried all I tried all I could to ease it out gently. In the end, I used brute force. I struck it sharply with the side of my foot and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath a secret drawer. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. Shallow tabbed to the top of it was a piece of lined notepaper and written on it in shaky handwriting. Jim's last letter received January 25, 1915, to be buried with me when the time comes. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. It unusually does. Inside the box there was an envelope. The address reads Miss, Mr. Jim, Miss Jim, ma'am, what is written here?
Miss Jim Macpherson.
Macpherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in a pencil and dated at the top, December 26, 1914.
Okay.
Dearest Connie,
Yes, yes.
I
Now
love
I'm changing the child. Okay. Thank you, Beta. Thank you. Your voice was very clear. Yes. Next.
thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, January.
General. Okay. Then we'll start.
Yes, ma'am.
Dearest from here.
Dearest
Dearest.
Connie.
Oh,
I write to you in a much happier frame of mind because something wonderful had just happened that I must tell you about at once. We were all standing to in our trenches yesterday morning, Christmas morning. It was crisp and quite all about as beautiful a morning as I have ever seen, as cold and frosty as a Christmas morning should be. I should like to be able to tell you that we began it, but the truth, I am ashamed,
Ashamed.
ashamed to say it that Fridge began it. First, someone saw a white flag waving from the
Waving.
waving from the trenches.
Trenches.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of trenches?
See, it's written here. Read this.
Trenches. Long, deep ditches in the ground where soldiers hide from the enemy.
हाँ, अब ध्यान से सुनो. If most of you have seen the movie Border? सबने
Yes,
हिंदी
ma'am.
मूवी बॉर्डर देखी ना. आई एम नॉट मेंशनिंग एन
Yes,
इंग्लिश
ma'am.
मूवी बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ
Yes,
यू
ma'am.
डोंट
Yes,
वॉच
ma'am.
इंग्लिश मूवीज, है ना. वो बॉर्डर मूवी में आपने देखा होगा व्हाट हैपेंस इज जब अटैक होता है ना या अटैक की प्रिपरेशन होती है तो बड़े बड़े गड्ढे बनाए जाते हैं जहां से मतलब लड़ाई होनी है. Okay, what happens in those places? You can stand. A human being can stand. A soldier can stand. और सिर्फ आपको सिर ऐसे ऊपर करके देखना है कि दुश्मन के क्या सिचुएशन है. So it is like a hiding.
मैम
हाँ,
देखा है.
है ना, हाइडिंग प्लेस होता है क्योंकि आप प्रोटेक्टेड हो उसमें, है ना. मिट्टी के थ्रू तो आपको गोली नहीं आ सकती ना, तो दे कैन फायर फ्रॉम देयर एंड वहां पर लाइन से ऐसे खड़े रहते हैं ये लोग. एंड समटाइम्स दे गेट किल्ड आल्सो ऑब्वियसली व्हेन दे आर शॉट एट देयर हेड. जब आप शूट कर रहे हो उसी टाइम आपको कोई शूट करे तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल डाई एंड दे फॉल इन द ट्रेंचेस. In the last scene also, if you remember, he goes searching Sunny Deol, who all are
Yes,
alive,
ma'am.
है ना. Those are the trenches. And this story is based during war. Now I'm giving you this homework. Which war it is? Which world war? 1 or 2?
1.
1. Okay, 1. Fine. Okay, here it is. Yes, continue, beta.
Then they were calling out to us from across no man's land. Happy Christmas, Tommy, happy Christmas. When we had got over the surprise, some of us shouted back, Same to you, Fritz.
Fritz होता है ना, Fritz.
Fritz.
And here it's a Fritz is actually you call as German soldier. Okay, a casual way of calling a German soldier. Okay, continue it.
Same to you. I thought that would be that. We all did. But then suddenly one of them was up there in his great coat and waving a white flag. Don't shoot, lads, someone shouted, and no one did. Then there was another Fritz up on the parapet, and another. Keep your heads down, I told the man. It's a trick, but it was not.
It wasn't.
But it wasn't.
Yes.
One of the German was waving a bottle above his head,
Waving, beta, waving.
waving,
Wing.
waving
Good.
a bottle above his head. It is Christmas Day. Tommy, we have. Ma'am, what is this?
We'll do one thing. We'll see it's written here, pronounced. Schnapps.
Schnapps. We have schnapps. We have sausage. We meet you. Yes. By this time, there were dozens of them walking towards us across no man's
What, beta?
Snaps.
Snaps. Okay, snaps. It's written sure, no? So I thought that Wait 1 second. I'll just check here on the net. Why not we just check it on the net? Tell me the spelling, Shubhra. S-H?
SCH
S-C-H. Okay.
SCHNAPPS.
N-A-P-P-S. Schnapps.
Ma'am, snaps.
Sure.
We have snaps.
Sure. Schnapps.
Snaps.
Listen more. Schnapps.
Snaps.
Yes, good. Okay, one last time we'll listen to her. 1 second. Okay, it's over.
By this time, there were dozens of them walking towards us across no man's land and not a ripple between them. Little Private Morris was the first up. Come on, boys. What are we waiting for? And then there was no stopping them.
बेटा
I
ई स्टॉपिंग बोलना बंद कर दो बेटा, आपको इसमें बहुत प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. मैंने बोला था ना, स को स बोलते हैं, ई ई ई स नहीं बोलते. इस ई स्टॉपिंग नहीं होता. ई की आवाज तो है ही नहीं इसमें. स्टॉपिंग. स्टॉपिंग.
stopping.
वेरी गुड. आपको इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी. जब भी एस आएगा ना, आप थोड़ा सा पॉज करना, अपने आप को याद दिलाना, फिर आपका सही होना शुरू हो जाएगा. ओके, कंटिन्यू बेटा.
Stopping them there and then. I was the officer. I should have stopped them there and then, I suppose. But the truth is that it never even occurred to me.
Occurred नहीं होता, occurred.
Occurred.
Yes, to me.
Occurred to me I should. All along their line and ours, I could see men walking slowly towards one another. Grey coats, khaki coats meeting in the middle. And I was one of them. I was part of this. In the middle of the war, we were making peace. You cannot imagine, dearest Connie, my feelings as I looked into the eyes of the fridge officer who approached me, hand are outstretched. Hans Wolf, he said, gripping my hand warmly and holding it. I am for Dusseldorf.
Dusseldorf.
Dusseldorf. Ma'am, what is this mean?
That is the name. It's the name of a place. I am from this. ये बेटा जर्मन की स्टोरी है ना, तो ये you'll find those names only. Britishers, वहाँ की एक जगह का नाम है ये. Okay, 1 second. I'll just check it on net again. Tell me the spelling of this.
DU double S
double S.
ELD.
I got it. See, this is a place in Germany. It is a city in Germany. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. I play the cello in the orchestra. Happy Christmas.
Orchestra तो आपको पता है क्या होता है? हमारे स्कूल में भी तो orchestra है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Happy Christmas. Captain Jim McPherson, I replied, and a happy Christmas to you too. I am a school teacher from Dorset in the west of England.
Now, Dorset is a place in England. Okay. Yes. Continue it.
A. Dorset. He smiled. I know this place. I know it very well. We shared my rum ration and his excellent sausage. And we talked. Oni.
And we see थोड़ा सा ना आप अपने pronunciation पे ध्यान दो. Oh, Dorset, he smiled. I know this place. I know it very well. We shared my rum ration and his excellent sausage. And we talked. Connie, how we talked? He spoke almost perfect English, but it turned out that he had never set foot in Dorset, never even been to England. England. You're supposed to tell England. Okay? Yes. करो बेटा थोड़ा सा ना उसको रिफाइन करो अपनी स्पीकिंग को कंटिन्यू बेटा
England. He had learned all he knew of England from school
इंग
and from reading books in English. His favorite writer was Thomas Hardy. His favorite book, Far from the Madding
मैडिंग
Crowd.
क्राउड ये बहुत फेमस नॉवल है थॉमस हार्डी की फार फ्रॉम द मैडिंग क्राउड ओके कंटिन्यू बेटा
So out there in no man's land, we talked of Bathsheba and Gabriel Oak and Sergeant Trow and Dorset. He had a wife and one son, born just 6 months ago. As I looked about me, there were huddles of khaki and grey everywhere, all over no man's land, smoking, laughing, talking, drinking, eating. Hans Wolf and I shared what was left of your wonderful Christmas cake. Connie, he thought the marzipan was the best he had ever tasted.
okay this tell me what is the meaning of marzipan this read this what I'm showing the meaning of it which is in the side
Marzipan, a sweet covering on a cake made from sugar, eggs, and almonds.
okay this is a type of cake which has a sweet covering may covering on a cake made from sugar eggs and almonds almonds आपको पता है बादाम होते हैं okay yes continue it
I agreed. We agreed about everything, and he was my enemy. There never was a Christmas party like it. Connie,
yes thank you Zenwil it's improved your reading but और भी अच्छी हो सकती है ठीक है yes next who is it
I'm Divyansh.
yes Divyansh
Okay, ma'am. Then someone I don't know who brought out a football. Great coats were dumped in pails to make goal post. And the next thing we knew, it was Tommy against Frist out in the middle of no man's land. Hans Wolf and I looked on and cheered, clapping our hands and stamping our feet to keep out the cold as much as anything. There was a moment when I noticed out breeds
breaths
breaths mingling in the air between us. He saw it too and smiled. Macpherson. He said after a while, I think this how we should resolve this war. A
this is I
football
think this is
match.
see देखो दिव्यांश ऐसे पढ़ना है I think this is how we should resolve this war
I think this is how we should resolve this war.
very
A,
good
foot, a football match. No one dies in a football match. No children are. Ma'am, what is this?
Orphaned. Orphaned.
Orphaned. No wives becomes windows.
Windows the widows.
Widows.
Hmm.
I prefer cricket. I told him. Then we Tommies could be sure of winning probably. We laughed at that and together we watched the game. Sad to say, Connie Fritz won 2 goals to 1. What as Hans Wolf generously said, our goal was better than theirs, so it wasn't quite fair. The time came and all too soon. When game was finished, the snaps and the rum and the sausage had long since run out, and we knew it was all over. I wished Hans well and told him I hoped we would see his family again soon, that the fighting would end and we could all go home. I think that is what every soldier wants on both sides. Hans Wolf said, take care, Jim MacPherson. I shall never forget this moment, nor you. He saluted and walked away from me slowly, unwillingly. I felt. He turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey coated men drifting back towards their trenches. That night, back in our door. Ma'am, what is this? The doubts,
Dugouts. It is dugouts.
the doubts, we
Dugouts.
the
Dugouts.
dugouts,
Hmm.
dugouts. We heard them singing a carol and singing it quite beautifully. It was stillness, silent night. Our boys gave them a rushing
Rousing.
chorus,
Rousing chorus.
rousing,
Chorus.
rousing chorus of while shepherds watched. We exchanged carols of while and then we all fell silent. We had our time of peace and goodwill, a time I will treasure as long as I live. Desert Connie, dearest Connie, by Christmas time next year this war will be nothing but as distant and terrible memory. I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. We shall be together again soon. I am sure for it.
Okay, we shall be. Okay, your loving
Okay, ma'am.
Jim. Now this is the letter. Okay, thank you. Very good, Divyansh. You
Thank you,
can
ma'am.
speak much better. Yes. Next,
I'm Imanshu.
Himanshu. Yes, Himanshu.
Yes, ma'am.
I folded.
I folded the letter again and slipped it
Ma'am,
carefully back
it was
into
my
its
chance.
envelope. I folded the letter again and slipped it carefully back into its envelope. I kept it awake all night. By morning, I knew what I had to do. Ma'am, can I rejoin again? I think.
Ma'am, it was my chance before Himanshu.
Yes, Himanshu?
Yes, ma'am. I folded the letter again and slipped it carefully back into its envelope. I kept awake all night. By morning, I knew what I had to do. I drove it Bridport, just a few miles away. I asked a boy walking his dog where Copper Bridges was. House number 12 turned out to be nothing but a burnt out shell. The roof capping the windows boarded up. I knocked at the house next door and asked if anyone knew the whereabouts of a Mr. Macpherson. If anyone knew, if anyone, I knocked at the house next door and asked if anyone knew the whereabouts of a Mr. Macpherson. Oh, yes, said the old man in his slipper. He knew, he knew her well. A lovely old lady. A lovely old lady. He told me, a bit muddle-headed, but at her age she was entitled to be, wasn't she? Wasn't she? 101 year old. She had been in the house when it caught fire. No one really knew No one really knew how the fire had started, but it could well have been candles. She used thought electricity was too expensive. The fireman had got her out just in time. She was in a nursing home now, he told me. Burlington House on the Dorchester Road on the other side of town. I found Burlington House nursing home easily enough. There were paper chains up in the hallway and lighted Christmas tree stood in the corner with a long-sided angle on a chair. I said I was a friend come to visit Mrs. Macpherson to bring her a Christmas present. I could see through into the dining room where everyone was wearing a paper hat and singing. The matron, the matron had a hat on too and seemed happy enough to see me. She even offered me a mince pie. She walked me along the corridor. Mrs. Macpherson is not in with the others. She told me she's rather confused today, so she thought it best if she had a good rest. If she had a good rest. She has no family, you know. No one visits, so I am sure she will be only too pleased to see you. She took me into a conservatory with the with
Conservatory.
conservatory with wicker chairs and potted plants all around and left me. The old lady was sitting in a wheelchair, her hands folded in her lap. She had silver white hair pinned into a wispy bun. She was gazing out at the garden. Hello, I said. I turned and looked up at me vacantly. Happy Christmas, Connie. I went on. I found this. I think it's yours. As I was speaking, her eyes never left my face. I opened the tin box and gave it to her. That was the moment her eyes lit up with recognition and her face became
Recognition. Recognition.
recognize, recognize,
Re- recognition.
recognition and her face became suffused with a sudden glow of happiness. I explained about the dress, about how had found it, but I don't think she was listening for a while. For a while she said nothing, but stroked the letter tenderly with her
Fingertips.
fingertips. Suddenly she reached out and took my hand. Her eyes were filled with tears. You told me you had came house by Christmas, dear West, she said. And here you are, the best Christmas present in the world. Come closer, Jim dear, sit down. I sat down beside her and she kissed my cheek. I read your letter so often, Jim, every day. I wanted to hear your voice in
Here,
my
I
head.
wanted to hear. I wanted to hear your voice.
I wanted to hear your voice in my head. It always made me feel with me. You were with me. And now now you are back now you are back you and can read it to me yourself.
Read it to me yourself.
Read it to me.
Read it to me yourself. Now you are back. Now you are back. You can read it to me yourself. मतलब अब जब तुम आ चुके हो तुम खुद ही इसको पढ़ के सुनाओ लेटर को. हम्म.
Now you are back. You can read it to me yourself.
Read it to me, beta.
To me yourself. Would you do that for me, Ch- Jim dear? I just want to hear your voice again. I had loved that so much, and then perhaps we will have some tea. I have made you a nice Christmas cake, marzipan all around. I know how much you love marzipan.
Hmm.
Mitchell Morporgo.
Hmm. Good. So it was a nice story, isn't it? A nice story, isn't it? How many of you
Yes.
could understand what happened in the end?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I am confused a little bit.
Hmm.
Uh, the the lady said that she